When you take a Postgres backup, the database is not compressed. If you have large databases, then this will definitely eat up a lot of your disk space. So there are two ways in which you can compress your backups. You can do the backups and then you compress them after the process, or you do the compression while the database is being backed up using the gzip utility. So to use the gzip command line utility when you're doing the backup, right, you first use the regular parameters. Then after the database name, you do a pipe, gzip, and then you redirect it to the output file. And it will compress your database automatically. Alternatively, you could just wait till the backups are complete and then you run the gzip command to compress the database backups. So you can do a backup of the new database which you have created in your test environment. When you do a ll to list in what's in the directory, when you compare the zip backup compared to the database which we backed up in the previous lecture, you would see that the database size is a fraction of the size. If we do a backup of the DVD rental, which is a larger database, you will also observe a significant reduction in the size. You can also specify the verbose parameter, which is the -v, to display the output while the backup is being executed. You can also output the verbose message to a log file to show if any error occurred while you're doing your backups or restore. So if you do a list on the directory, you'd see that the database size is significantly smaller than the original backup. In the next lecture, we'll be taking a look at how you can backup databases on a remote server.